Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a really simple but very important tip: how to hide followers and contacts notifications from showing up on your lock screen in the X app. If you've ever wanted a little more privacy and control over what pops up when your phone is locked, this quick guide will help you out. Let's jump straight into the steps. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where almost all notification controls can be managed, so it's the key starting point. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find and select the X app from that list to get into its specific settings. Next, you'll want to tap on Notifications. This is where all of the alert and display options for the app are located. You'll see multiple categories available, and this is where the customization begins. Now tap on Notification Categories. This area breaks down different types of notifications the app sends you, so you can fine-tune which ones are allowed and which ones are hidden. From there, look for the Followers and Contacts category. This is the one that's responsible for showing you alerts whenever someone new follows you or when there are updates related to your contacts. Go ahead and tap it to open the details. Inside this section, tap on Lock Screen. This gives you control over whether these notifications pop up when your phone is locked. For the most privacy, choose Don't Show Notifications. By selecting this option, those follower and contact updates will no longer appear on your lock screen, ensuring your notifications stay private until you unlock your device. And that's it. You've successfully hidden followers and contacts notifications from the lock screen in the X app. This adjustment takes just a minute, but it makes a big difference if you value your privacy. If you found this guide helpful, try applying the same steps to other categories of notifications in the app for even more control. Thanks for watching.